I have been dealing with horrible neighbors for a couple of years now, and I'm sure you've heard me vent about it. They have stolen my peace more often than not, including last night at 3 a.m. with their boom, boom, boom car stereo. I mean, really, at 3 a.m.? Well, I noticed there's the dog barking, and people have been kind of in and out a bit. But one of the windows is open and there doesn't seem to be any power. Code enforcement violation, and you never know. Anyway, I'm just irritated with the people, so I have managed to go on the property records, find out who owns it, which is a corporation. I looked it up through the state. There was no phone number, and I didn't want to show up at these people's house, so I turned to Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook, right? So lo and behold, I find them on Facebook, and then I just Googled a phone number. Well, yay, I found it. I called and get voicemail. Go figure. But it was the wife's phone number. The husband called me back. I let him know how horrible his tenants are, and he already knew that because they evicted him, but he let me know that the eviction process is not finished yet, and it might take a couple more weeks, but he appreciates me looking out, and with any disturbance, please, please, please call the police, he said. So, I've got my peace back. Those people will be gone soon, and yay! Just yay! So the neighborhood is looking up once again. Life is good. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.